how to eject a USB from the Bambu Lab P2S. Now, I'll do this in the name of science, and I'll remove it, and you'll see unsafe removal. Please eject first. Now, how do we eject the USB from the P2S? Let me put that back in, and then you want to go to the cog here, then go to the USB storage, and you should see eject. Select that, and it'll say, are you sure you want to eject the USB? Select eject. Now you'll be able to safely remove it and no warning signs. Now the reason you want to do it this way, rather than just pulling it out and getting that warning message, this could corrupt the files on the USB, and you'll lose any files that are saved onto it. So you always want to make sure you safely eject it through the settings like that and selecting eject. Hopefully this helps you out and it stops you losing any important files on your USB pen. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.